Namaste, everybody. This is Kalyani. Today, we are going to talk about how I actually acquired my confidence. So, let's start from my Salah days, as the childhood days. I used to go, and I was really shy. I used to go at garden. My mother used to take me every weekend to the garden, and she used to ask to the group of children to include me in their group. And I was like wondering every time how my mother can talk to strangers with such confidence कि यार इसको भी ले लो, take her also in your group and play, you all together play. I was wonderstruck by this quality. Like the way she used to talk, she's so confident. She is extrovert. My mother is extrovert. From her, I acquired confidence, and I was like, okay. I was very shy. I was like, I was not talking. I was too timid, but I was like, okay, let's work on that. And slowly and gradually, I did dance performances, and within it, I don't know then how I became confident enough. But by observing my mother, I acquired the skill. And I also want to like to give an example of my friend from graduation. So actually what happened is came across a such type of person who was completely opposite. She was North Pole, I am South Pole. She was completely different from me. She was introvert and I am an extrovert. In my first year of degree, I met a girl who is my best friend, that's what. She is my best friend, but I got to know her personality. I was understanding her as she was really close to me. I got to know what's the fear. Like she's not able to talk in the class. If you know the answer, you're not telling to the teacher just because you have that fear what other people will think about me. Others' attention will come to you. From that I got to know that yeah, there are people who are quite underconfident. They are not confident enough to express themselves, and I was quite proud of myself for being so proud enough to express my views, whatever my views are. I never stop myself from speaking. I feel I talk about it fearlessly. I don't have this one thing what people will think about it, will they like it or not. But she has the fear. And what happened is, in the whole lecture, only one time their voices can be heard. It's like present man only at that time. They are not talking, they are not giving views, they are only listening to what teacher is saying. So why this is happening, I'll tell you, and I try to decode this one thing. Confidence is something which you grow from within. It's something which is not inbuilt. You 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 try to push yourself. You try to push yourself, do some task which it's trying to push your limits. Okay. And I also discovered one thing, that confidence is related to our judging thing. One thing, judgment. We are always scared of what people would think about me. That's why we have this fear. If I go wrong, what people are going to think about me, what they'll have views about me, will they like it or not like it. This is what we have, and it's what hampers, hinders, tries to create an obstacle in confidence building, because we care too much about other people than ourselves. And I'm that personality where I don't care what you talk about me. I really don't give a shit about me. For the people who know me really well, they are there with me. I'm not gonna sit and talk to you, gonna explain to you what I think, what my views are. I'm not gonna do that. I'm simply gonna ignore it. I'm gonna leave it up to you. You think whatever you feel like. You make interesting stories about me. I don't care, because I'm unshakable. I don't care what people think about me. Really, I don't care. Because I care much of myself that I don't give a shit about what other have views about me, what other think about me. So there's no judgment part in my life, because I don't care much. I don't care enough. But what these people are, are much caring about the judgments, what they'll think about me. This is what we usually have problems in. I'm like, okay, if this person is not paying my bills, I want this particular thing. Is he gonna buy and give it to me? Is he gonna pay my bills? If I go to the restaurant, is he gonna pay my bill? There are numerous expenses which we have to spend money on. Is this person spending money on me? what the role he's playing in my life. After some time, that person is gonna leave me, not even think about me. Who are these people? We are ourselves creators of our life. I always speak like this because we are the one who create, and always if we give shit about these people, we are in turn hampering our own confidence, which I really don't want. So in graduation time, what happened is we really wanted our as a group of three. So we really wanted to do group dance, and she was like, "No, I can't dance. What if I fall? I'll have क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know that चक्कर आ जाएगा मेरे को. She'll feel nauseous. What if she falls on the whole stage?" And like, if we practice enough, what's the matter? No, but when you're on the stage, everyone is looking at you, and she is not at all an attention seeker. She doesn't like people seeing her, but I am completely opposite. I like to do solo dance. I like to do duo. I won't be dancing in three, four group dance because then people would not look at me. People would be looking at everyone, which I don't want. I want people to look at me because I have put so much of efforts, I have put so much of my energy to this that I want people to look at me. But she is completely opposite. She doesn't want people to look at her, and that's what that makes her conscious. It makes her feel nauseous. So this is what I wanted to talk about. Like, confidence is something you try to push your limits, you try to give your best, and that's okay. If you fail, it's okay, it's fine, because at least you have to pat your back because you at least tried. People are not even trying, yeah, themselves to work for something. They are just dreaming, and dreaming is not enough. You have to do something. You have to do to practice yourself to achieve that. So at least you did it. Failing is a one step of achieving success, and that's what I really wanted to tell you. Stop caring about these people and look for yourself. Try to do whatever you feel like, but do practice. That is more important than giving so much of attention to these people who are not going to pay your bills, who are not going to do anything for you. These people are literally like dogs. I know you people would be criticizing me for that, but I would really say these people are dogs who are gonna bark because their work is to bark. Let them bark. You do your work. You do whatever is good for you, you do that. Whatever you feel like, chase it. And don't forget to, to think about your goals. These people are gonna bark, let them bark. It's their work to bark. Don't hammer your success, don't hammer your goals. And that's it for the video. I hope you like it. And also, one thing I really like to share, that is, confidence is not, this is Priyanka Chopra's line, which I really adore. That is, confidence is not something which is like you built in. You grow with it, and you finally achieve it by pushing your limits. So love yourself and be confident enough to at least say whatever you feel like, at least express your views. You have a lot of goals, and I trust you, you can achieve that. But just stop being judgmental and think of this like what people will think about me and all that. No, let them bark. It's their work to bark. Let them bark. You do your work. And that's all for the video, guys. I hope you like it. And that's all my views are on being confident. People love the way I talk. People love my confidence. Even my professor in my first year loved the way I was confident enough to express my views. And I thought of sharing my views on confidence and how my thinking is about being confident enough to say all these, speak all this fearfully without even having even 1% of like having this one thought in my mind what they'll think about me. I am who I am. You like it, you like it. You don't like it, you don't like it. That's it. This is who I am. This is how Kalyani Mhatre is. I don't care. That's all for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. If you don't want to like it, it's okay, it's your choice, but it would be really, like, it would be really heart touching. I would be really glad if you subscribe my channel. That's all. I hope you learned something from this video, and meet you in the next video. Bye. Lots of love. Mwah. Take care of yourself, and you are priceless. And keep working on yourself. You are getting there.